Hi, I am Aishwarya Umrania, your career guide, and welcome to today's episode of Wednesday Wisdom. We watch Bollywood like it's a part of our life. It's such an important. It plays such an important role. We get so inspired by the characters that Ranbir Kapoor has played or Ranveer Singh has played in the movies, and we absolutely fall in love sometimes with the work that they do. Um, when I talk about unconventional careers, the quickest insight that you could gain in the 21st century's unconventional career options is through so many movies that you are watching. For instance, let's just focus on Ranbir Kapoor and the roles he has played. I'm sure we all fell in love with his vibes in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani when he was a photographer, or in Wake Up Sid for that matter, or even when he was a filmmaker in Roy, or something like being a musician in Rockstar movie. So Ranbir had chosen some very popular unconventional career options in his role in these movies, and I'm sure we all connected to it. And some of us were like, "Wow, this is something I would love doing, absolutely love doing." So although the career decisions made by him would not be enough, it gives us an idea about the emerging acceptance of unconventional career options in 21st century. So we all understand that change is the only constant in our life, and what was unconventional yesterday is completely conventional today. The same stands for the career options that you are choosing. If I give you an example, many decades ago, probably engineering and medicine were considered as unconventional career options, and at that time those students who might have wanted to pursue this would have definitely had a hard time pursuing their parents, convincing them that they want to do something. But nowadays, every 4 out of 5 students would love to go and study engineering and medicine. So exactly what I mean when I say that what was unconventional yesterday is conventional today. The scenario has completely changed, and these career options have become so frequent. So all you need to do is think out of the box when you are deciding what you want to do in your life. So conventional career options are not even meant for everyone. Some people like you and me might crave to do something which suits our interests and passion and hobbies. And when you are trying to do something new or out of the box, I'm sure there will be many who will come to you and say that it's not going to work, or they might say that you might not be able to earn enough from these career options. But that's not true. Conventional careers also pose a huge competition nowadays, since so many students, so many engineers are graduating, but there's not enough jobs in the market to satisfy their educational needs. So it is a sad but true scenario, and many times conventional career options do not even give you the creative space. So people end up, they feel sick of getting out of bed every morning. Why do something, or why continue pursuing something which is not motivating you to look up to a new day? So in other words, you fail to find motivation when you are pursuing something you don't like. Why not choose something which is tailor-made for you? Why not choose something that is unconventional? So let me talk about the challenges that you might face when you are trying to do something which is not regular. First thing is, there is a lack of proper guidance. If you are trying to do some course, for instance, say you want to become a food scientist, it is not something which is conventionally pursued, and hence it might be difficult to find a course which directs you to pursue a career in this field. But it's not impossible. There is a lack of guidance, but then on the other hand, you need to look at the right place to find these courses. there is sometimes a lack of exposure, and you might struggle when you are trying to go against the set societal norms which everyone has been trying to follow. An example is when I wanted to pursue something related to the NGO management. The first thing that I was questioned with was, how are you going to earn when all you are trying to do is help others? So when you are trying to go against what has been the set standards of earning, or what has been the set standards of working in your family or in your surroundings, it's difficult to make people understand what you are trying to do. Sometimes there is also a lack of proper platform to showcase your worth. But these are the challenges that you will have to overcome if you want to be successful in doing something that you absolutely love doing. So hard work and diligence are the keys, and you need to just constantly start practicing what you love. So before I cut short this introduction on like choosing the unconventional career options, let me just name a few of the options that you can think of pursuing. One is something called accessory designing. Then there is something called game designing or game developers. There is something called fitness trainers, which I'm sure you've been exposed to through social media so much while you were at home during the coronavirus lockdown. Then being a stand-up comedian is another unconventional career options. There is something called being an event manager, or being a professional dancer. So there are so many other career options that you can follow, but it all depends. The bottom line is that all you need to do is pursue what you love, and the secret to success in life is the career option that suits your interests and your personality. And just remember that a good career option is not just the one which pays your rent, but it is also the one which makes you jump out of bed every morning to look at a new day. Good luck, and connect with me for any of your career related queries.